So in this video, I want to share to you how to clean your phone. Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another video. Before I make this video, let me do first my errands. So see you in a bit. Hello and welcome back to this video. So in this video, I want to share to you how to clean your phone. In this current situation that we're facing a pandemic due to the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. This virus is spread through droplets that comes out from your respiratory system, from your mouth, from your nose. I think so. And these droplets, particles, lives on the surface. And that's why the experts always advise us to wash our hands regularly, because our hands always touch many surfaces. And which gadget you touch most? It's your cell phone. How many times you touch your cell phone? And that's how many times you are contaminating it. And then you might clean your hands, but if you're not cleaning your phone, then basically it's just the same. You're not cleaning your hands as well. So I want to share to you a simple step on how to clean your phone. Obviously, you cannot wash your phone. Don't wash your phone, please. So the way to clean your phone is through a antibacterial wipes. Don't use baby wipes because your phone is not a baby. So use an antibacterial wipes just like this, what I have from Robinson's cleansing wipe. One wipe. Usually I do this when I arrive at home. Before I take a bath, I disinfect. I clean all my things in my pocket, like the car keys, my phone, my wallet, everything, my eyeglasses, everything that cannot be washed. I will clean it with these wipes. So it's simple. You have your phone, you have this antibacterial wipes. Just clean it. Clean it just like that. Be careful on this side. So I'm only cleaning the top part, the sides, and I'm wiping it gently. And then you can clean also the other things in your pocket. Also with this, I clean it because I have touched this many times as well. And also my car keys. Where's my car keys? My car keys. I also clean my car keys because. And then if it's still good, you can clean other surfaces with this, like the doorknobs, your steering wheels. So cleaning your phone is that simple. So comment down below on how you clean your phone, and if you have any other tips to clean gadgets, please do comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.